Ticker symbol SIDU making some explosive price action today, you guys. Let's go ahead and find out what the possibilities are for the coming sessions. What is up, you guys? Thank you so much for stopping by once again. This is ARCa coming at you with an SIDU, technicals, raw price action, and some statistical thread of analysis. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video with a friend so that you and them could consider joining our trading community in Discord called ARCa Bulls. With that said, let's dive right into the charts. Okay, so we are actually looking at ticker symbol SIDU, and this is actually something that we've been looking at since February 3rd, of which we actually presented the possibility of touching up in these targets. As you can see, we did face those. We got that rejection and are now continuing on to the upside to our next target. Okay, so we do have, when we actually talked about these two targets, we talked about let's see, about 87 cents, 87.11, and also in respects to the 2.618 at 91.34. Okay, so what could happen for the validation of this move to continue and actually fulfill, right? So I want to reference a couple things here. Please notice that this is the Crypstex ARC-Series Enhanced MACD. This is an indicator that has essentially paired volatility versus momentum, just like I always practice in my other tickers for my statistical backs. Okay, you guys, so what we want to notice here is that volatility represented by the Bollinger Bands cloud and momentum represented by the enhanced MACD's moving average. Okay, so please notice that this indicator also has bear and bull signals to fire off and assist us with knowing position entries or anything like that, long or short. Okay, you guys, so what we want to notice here is that volatility has essentially started to contract, and we're actually getting an upside signal now with a bull print, and now have printed a new green dot to the upside, which essentially means that we are on our ways to a continuation to that upside. Please go ahead and refer to actual volatility, the manual way that I always do it, right? Volatility versus momentum. We're getting momentum pivoted towards the upside, just like right here, right? And we're actually starting the contraction phase, just like we're contracting here. Very interesting price action here, and I would actually just like to get away from the volatility versus momentum profile here. Please remember that if you want to acquire these indicators, go ahead and get in touch with me via email or Twitter DM or Discord DM, and we'll go ahead and go over these indicator packages and the subscription packages. Okay, you guys, please remember that you need to obtain, or you must obtain, a TradingView software account first before you inquire about these indicators, or before you get the account for the indicators, that is. Okay, so, and you can also find that affiliate link for TradingView software in the description below. It would actually help out my trading future greatly if you guys did so. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and now continue on with the analysis. Please notice that the daily RSI is still suggesting an upside continuation, but this is in regards to price action at market close. Okay, so we are not looking at anything after market. So let's go ahead and now reference the 30-minute immediate short-term time frame to see what could be happening for the SIDU asset in the coming day. Okay, you guys, so please notice that the bear signal here in the 30-minute short-term time frame is actually starting to lose their power, and it's starting to pivot towards that upside. Okay, so this was actually, in fact, a mean reversion. So now we're actually coming back to reaccumulate and moving to the upside. Okay, you guys, as the RSI momentum is actually still suggesting that upside, a little bit of consolidation here, but it's likely for us to validate the current support before continuing on to that upside. Okay, let's go ahead and reference bi-hourly now. Bi-hourly is still suggesting a little bit of an upside here. The 14-day simple moving average is still suggesting some upside, but please go ahead and notice that this is a little bit of consolidation period. Enhanced MACD is actually giving us that slight a consolidation period suggestion as well. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and now look at the 6-hour. 6-hour time frame is still suggesting an upside on the enhanced MACD, so we're still looking at upside here. And also now referencing the RSI, it looks like we have a little bit of consolidation as well, but the 14-day simple is giving us that upside bias nonetheless. Okay, you guys, things are looking not bad here. Let's go ahead and reference the 12-hour. 12-hour still on that upside continuation. 14-day simple is also suggesting that upside, and enhanced MACD with that firing of the bull signal right down down here and actually still suggesting the upside even still. Okay, you guys, let's see if the buy hourly has been flashed. Oh, okay. Very important signal here from the buy hourly. Okay, you guys, we're actually now starting to cross above that 14-day simple moving average, and we're away from the gravitational zone from the bear strength, which would essentially mean that we're on our way to the opposing side gravitational zone, which would essentially continue us and push us towards that upside. Okay, you guys, what I want you to notice here is that the enhanced MACD has now started to pivot towards the upside. I would not be surprised that if in the following trading session we start to get that bull signal here before a continuation to that upside. Okay, you guys, also please notice that we enhanced MACD on the buy daily time frame did give us this bear signal at the opening of this candle, which was at $1.05 before capitulating to 37 cents. Okay, you guys, please remember to get in touch with me regarding these indicator subscriptions, and we'll go ahead and situate you. Okay, you guys. So, and let's see what the 3-day time frame. 3-day time frame also making a very important cross above the 14-day simple moving average. So this is very good stuff. Okay, you guys, we want to make sure that we can continue on with that bull pressure towards that upside and see what happens. 3-day time frame is also suggesting on the enhanced MACD an upside continuation, which I wouldn't be surprised yet again if we did get that bull print soon. Okay, you guys. So, and I think, well, yeah, let's go ahead and just reference the upside on the 5-day. The 5-day is giving us a little bit of a limitation on that upside, which is honestly in respects to maybe looking at that continuation to about that target that we're talking about 91.34. Okay, or at the 2-spot 618 from the current price action of about 63 cents that we're looking at right now. Okay, so everything is still looking good for ticker symbol SIDU. Please make sure to reach out to me with any questions or concerns, actually on Twitter or Discord. You'll find my email here in the About section where it says for inquiries, for business inquiries, right? And yeah, but I think this is a pretty good place to leave off. If you have any questions or concerns, you already know. I wish you well, a very good night, and I will catch you at the bell mañana. Adios.